Welcome to Shelly's Cuisine. Today, we're gonna make ceviche, shrimp ceviche, my favorite. When I go to Mexico, each lunchtime, that's what I want for lunch, ceviche. I love ceviche. And I found a way to make it where I can use cooked shrimp. I don't have to use the lime juice to cook the shrimp while I'm making it naturally. I don't have time for that. So, let's get started. So right away, I'm gonna twist it a little bit with the juices that we're gonna pull together. And I have 2 tablespoons of lime juice. I have 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. And I'm gonna twist it with orange juice. So this is half a cup of fresh squeezed orange juice. Okay, and then I am going to put in my ingredients. This is mango shrimp ceviche. So I have 1 mango chopped. Get my mango there. I have 1 tomato chopped. Now I have half an onion chopped. Again, my rule is don't put all the onion in, just put some until we taste. And then we're gonna find out, do we need to put more onion? It's better to add later than to put too much. Garlic, this is about 2 garlic cloves, but I'm gonna go on the safe side and just put 1 because I'm gonna taste. Okay, and jalapeno. Don't forget, this jalapeno is cut up. I took the seeds out because seeds mean pepper, pepper, pepper. So, seeded. And I'm gonna mix that up. But guess what? I forgot the salt, so let me get it. Back with the salt. All right. So again, rosemary sea salt. Yes, I put that in everything. My ground black pepper. Okay. Gonna mix that up. So don't forget I have my different juices going here. And I am going to have to taste. Because I won't know if I have enough salt or not unless I taste it. That's good. Needs more salt. Okay. Cilantro. Yes, fresh cilantro. Chopped fine. That's about 2 tablespoons of cilantro. And I have to taste again because I have to make sure I put enough salt. When I put the salt, I have to make sure I have enough onion, enough garlic. Now is the time to test. Okay. Here's my shrimp. Guess what? I bought a $5 bag of cooked shrimp at Walmart. 1 bag. Okay. So, guess what? We're finished. We have made mango shrimp ceviche. All right, we'll be back. Okay. Look at all those colors together. So this is something you put in the fridge, let the juices get together, make a marriage. I love this. And guess what? It's not fattening. And there is our ceviche. Shrimp ceviche with mango. Yep. Yeah, nice. Okay, it's time to taste. But before I taste, please remember to subscribe and hit the notification button in the lower right-hand corner. And visit us on shellyscuisine.com to get the recipe And let's taste. It's just like being in Mexico, except I'm here in New Jersey with Mexico flavor in my mouth. Thank you for visiting Shelly's Cuisine and making ceviche with us today. Tune in next week to find out what we will twist next.